Yo, what's good? It's your boy Brandino, back with another video. Today we've got the face cam, and I've got 1.3 million VC. I'm trying to get this Shaq. He goes for like millions. Let's see if we can do the locker code. Okay, we got some free tokens. I'm really hoping that we get this Shaq. We can open a bunch of boxes, and let's get straight into it. First box. Alright, we got nothing. Just a Bam Adebayo. I mean, I haven't had too much luck with the flashback packs before. So let's hope we can get that to change. Oh, pink diamond already? This is probably like Andrew Wiggins, so I'm not too excited. Yeah. I was watching that Troy Dan video earlier. Oh my god, he pulled all these Andrew Wiggins. I kind of feel bad, but maybe if we pull enough, we can get that Shaq. Got 300k VC. You never know. But yeah, starting off with a pink diamond on the fourth pack. It's pretty good, actually. Okay, we got. Oh no, never mind. Okay. Still nothing. Okay, still nothing. Let's try to get this going. Okay. Nah. Okay, not getting anything really too good. Just straight silvers and bronzes. Not really what I'm looking for. Oh man. Okay, this first box is not looking too good. It started off pretty hot, but we're after that Shaq, so we're gonna keep our hopes up. Yeah, computer's bugging. If you can hear that. Okay, so all we got was that Andrew Wiggins. Alright, and this is gonna be the second box. Okay, starting off with an amethyst. It's probably Mo Bamba. Okay, yeah. So we got Mo Bamba. So we got two players already out of the flashbacks. Okay. Come on, I want to see the Galaxy Opal glow. Like, even if it's like, I'm gonna probably be upset if it's Lonzo, but I can't complain for Galaxy Opals. Another amethyst. It's probably another Mo Bamba. Oh no, it's not. It's probably called. Oh, Trae Young, yeah. Just a regular Trae Young. Oh, okay, we got some viewers. We got some viewers in the chat. How we doing? Okay. Nothing good so far. We're almost halfway through our second box. Okay, we got another pink diamond. Ah, so there's another Andrew Wiggins though. Is it? Yeah. I can't get too excited. Oh, it's just. Okay, never mind then. Yeah, we were hoping for the Ben Wallace, but it's not our luck today. But who knows? Okay, we got a. Oh, I thought that was a pink diamond back to back. That would have been awesome. Okay, we got a Mo Bamba again. Nothing's looking too fire yet. Alright. John Wall. Nothing in this pack. Chris Silva. That boy is a Silva. I got that statement Celtics jersey. Probably never gonna use that, but it just looks cool. Okay, we haven't been getting anything too good. 17th pack, nothing. 18th pack, we got 2 amethysts. Let's open this one. So one of them's probably a League Series 2 player. And I guess it's this one, which is going to be Kyrie. And we have been playing Kyrie in like all of our pack openings, so who knows? Could be something good for the future. Because every time we've pulled Kyrie, we've pulled something nice. We got a Trae Young. So we've already pulled 2 Trae Youngs. Yeah. Okay, last pack of the second box. Nothing too good. Send that to our auctions. Okay, so this is our 3rd box. Starting it off. Okay, we got Gary Payton the second. Rajon Rondo. Just a gold. So I can't get excited. Yeah, I just can't. 4th pack, nothing. Okay. This is not looking too good. Not looking too good at all. Okay, we got another amethyst. This one's probably gonna be okay, we got another Trae Young. This is our 3rd Trae Young. I don't really know what to say about that, because like not pulling anything too good. We did get those Andrew Wiggins. Probably gonna sell those. Look at that Dean Wade. He's a nice bronze. Okay, we got another Mo Bamba. Oh no. What was this, Joel Embiid or something? Yeah, Joel Embiid. Alright. Okay, I got another Kristaps. Just gonna fly because I'm not getting anything. Why waste time, you know? Do you feel me, dog? Okay. African Minu. Oh, we got a diamond. Is Ray the only diamond? Yeah, I think it's Ray Allen because I see Celtics green. Yep. Yeah, the odds are cheeks. We got a Ray Allen. But who knows? My odds, my odds could be good sometimes. You never know. Just gotta be patient. I mean, if I get that Shaq, I'm probably not gonna sell him. He does go for like 1 mil. But yeah. Okay, that's the end of the 4th box. Alright. Let's. Okay. Oh, I thought I got an amethyst. It was just a ball. Oh, that's great. Just ripping through these packs right now. Not getting anything. Let's see. Andre Drummond. Like, I don't want these sapphires, man. Like, I want these Galaxy Opals. Come on now. Eric Bledsoe. This is not looking too good right now. Not good at all. Okay, we've got this. Sorry, keep showing. Another Mo Bamba. This is really disappointing. Kelly Oubre. I don't want emeralds, you know? I don't want those emeralds. Come on now. Give me something nice. Come on. I bet like 2K, like, I don't understand, like, the flash packs are never good, but they, like, the upside is just so nice, but The downside is you don't even get any players that would even make your team. Like mine. Okay. What is this, 5th pack? I mean 5th box? Okay. Yeah, like, we haven't even gotten a pink diamond in so long. Like, we pulled 2 Andrew Wiggins and that was it. Oh man. Come on. Give me that Galaxy Opal Glow. Come on, give it to me. I think I saw Alonso before, but I don't know. I think that was his goal. We got an amethyst. Pulling a lot of it. Like, I've never pulled this many amethysts before, especially Mo Bambas. Yeah. Maybe pack odds suck for these, but I want that Shaq so bad. Come on, give it to me. Come on, chicken. Don't just be taking my money. Oh man, straight doo-doo out here. Oh my god, I thought it was a pink diamond too. We got Carson Edwards. Who is this? Another Kyrie? Yeah. Oh my god. I mean, Kyrie, I think that's good luck. So let's have a positive mindset. And yeah. Okay, we got a diamond. It's probably Ray Allen, right? Yeah, another Ray Allen. Come on. Hopefully he goes for something. Oh man, we have not gotten like anything in the past few boxes except Ray Allen twice, but that's it. Okay, and the 5th box. Pretty cheeks, not gonna lie, pretty cheeks. Okay. Next box, we got box number 6 right now. Come on. 6 times the charm? Let me see something nice. Let me see something nice. Okay. That's not something nice. 3rd pack. Nothing. Got that Derek Favors. He's actually having a pretty good year, I think. Maybe not. Christian Wood. Chris Paul. We want that Shaq. Shaq is what we're after. Oh. Got Shake Milton. That boy was a bucket. Not gonna lie. Okay, these packs are straight garbage. This is one of the worst pack odds I've ever had. Oh my god, okay, I got really good. Oh man. Josh Richardson, like, we're not even getting anything to get hyped about. No diamonds, no pink diamonds, no Galaxy Opals. Come on. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay, going into our 7th pack. 7th times the charm. Lucky number 7. Show me that. Okay. Oh, I was about to get excited. At least for a pink diamond, but just another amethyst. Another Mo Bamba. Like, that's just what I need, Bonnie. Yeah, thank you. Just another Mo Bamba. Yep. Exactly what I want. My birthday was the other day. You know, that's what I asked for. That Mo Bamba. Not the Shaq. No. Mo Bamba. Definitely. You just keep giving it to me. But like, that's no something. We're just ripping through these packs right now. Oh man. Okay, we got a pink diamond? Please be that Ben. Please be that Ben. Oh my, is it an Andrew Wiggins? Oh my god, this is our third Andrew Wiggins. Like, I don't want another Andrew Wiggins. Come on, give me something good. Don't give me like 500 Andrew Wiggins. Like, I've only pulled Andrew Wiggins and what's his face? Ray Allen. Like, I don't, and Mo Bamba. Like, I don't. Like, those are the three worst players in this. Promo. Nothing again. Pack 17, pack 18. Also got up there. 19. Not a surprise. Nothing too. Yep, that's exactly what we want. Okay. Yep. Tony Snell, Robert Covington. This is just great. Okay. Okay, we've only got a couple boxes left. Please, please, please give me something. Please give it a shot. Please give it a shot. Like Alonzo, like either one of them, honestly, at this point. Just give me something. Oh my god, I'm gonna finish. Oh my god, please give me something. Come on, 2K. I don't want this Paul George, man. Oh my god. Come on, please bless me, 2K. Please bless me with some cards. I wonder if Shaq is going for 1 mil. I'm never gonna be able to get that card. I need that card, man. Please give me something. I'm sad, yeah. Oh my god. This is just, like, I haven't gotten anything in like the past couple boxes. Just, like, Paul George is the best thing I got. Okay, this is our last pack, our last box. If we don't get anything, I might cry. Seriously, I might cry. This is depressing. Seriously, I haven't gotten anything. This is just... This might be my worst pack opening I've ever had. This is sad. This is very sad. Damn, okay. Yeah, we haven't gotten anything in like 3 boxes. 3 more packs, not gonna get anything. It's just how it is. 2 more packs. Galaxy Opal in the last. Nope. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.